Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now we talk a lot about the different kinds of swimming pools, and I know when people are looking at putting a pool in their yard, they've got a lot of different questions. And today on Pool Talk with Trish, I'm going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions I get, which is what is the warranty on a fiberglass pool? So let's dive in. So when it comes to the warranty on a fiberglass pool, typically you're going to have a few different types of warranties. The manufacturer of the pool shell will typically provide two different warranties. One that covers the structure of the pool shell and another that covers the gel coat surface. And when we're talking about a structural warranty, typically this is the amount of time that the manufacturer is going to guarantee that the pool will hold water. And this will vary from pool manufacturer to manufacturer. For instance, with Latham Pools, which is one of the #1 fiberglass pool manufacturers in the nation, they provide a lifetime structural warranty on the shell. And you may ask, well, what does lifetime mean? They define lifetime as the amount of time you own the pool and that the pool is in normal use. And with Latham, that structural warranty is actually transferable to the next owner of the pool as well. Now when it comes to the gel coat service warranty of the pool, this is typically a warranty that covers any bubbles or blisters on the actual surface of the pool. So as you're shopping for your new pool, it's important to find out a few things about the warranty that's provided by the manufacturer. Obviously first you'd want to find out how long the warranty is. You would also want to find out, is that warranty transferable? I would also recommend finding out what's included and what may be excluded from that manufacturer's structural warranty. Now, in addition to the warranties that are provided by the manufacturer, you're also going to have warranties provided by the actual dealer, the company that installs the swimming pool for you. And the dealer will typically have a warranty that covers things like your equipment, other parts, and of course on the workmanship. So you'd want to find out from that dealer what they include for their warranty as well. I'd also highly recommend when you're talking to the dealer, find out exactly who services the pool if there is a warranty issue and who your go-to is when you've got warranty issues. Because the last thing you want to end up with is a bunch of 1-800 numbers for all of the different part manufacturers and maybe subcontractors and things like that. Find a dealer who's your one-stop warranty shop for everything. If you've got any questions at all, just reach out, 210-834-7054. I'm here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I can't wait to see you guys soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming.